booking Lightning Lane Multi-Pass at Walt Disney World. If you are staying on-site, you can purchase and book Lightning Lane 7 days before the start of your vacation. If you are staying off-site, you can purchase and book Lightning Lanes 3 days before your tickets begin. From the home screen, find the Lightning Lane box at the top and select Purchase. Select the date and the park you are visiting that day. If you are park hopping, select the first park you will visit that day. Confirm your party and click Continue. Next, you will choose the 3 attractions you would like to reserve. You can choose one or none from the first group. You can choose your remaining attractions from the second group. Click Continue. The system will choose non-conflicting times for you. If you are happy with them, click Continue. If you would like to see additional options, click Modify Time. Make your selection and save it before continuing. Choose your payment method and pay. On the next screen, you can choose to purchase Lightning Lane for another day or see your current plans. You can view your current plans in My Day. On the day you visit the parks, after you have tapped in for one of your selections, you can choose an additional one. You can choose from anything that is available. You can toggle this button to filter out non-Lightning Lane attractions. You can also modify any current plans you have made. You can modify the time, choose a new attraction, or modify your party. Have fun!